Welcome to Quick Revision. So human digestive system part 3 topics to be covered: digestion process, absorption and disorder. Let's start with digestion process. So what is digestion process? The process in which complex food material is converted into simple absorbable form which can be easily absorbed into body. Digestion starts from mouth. Buccal cavity performs two functions: mastication of food and facilitation of swallowing. Most important enzyme of saliva is salivary amylase. Starch is hydrolyzed in maltose. Lysozymes present in saliva act as antibacterial agent that prevent infection. Now gastric digestion. So semi-solid food reaches here where it's come in contact with gastric juice. Pyloric part secrete gastrin which release in blood when food come in the lumen. It stimulates gastric gland to secrete gastric juice. So gastric juice is secreted by gastric gland. Most important enzyme of gastric juice are pepsin, renin, lipase. HCl is the most important constituent of gastric juice. It lower pH of gastric content and provide favorable condition for action of pepsinogen and other proteolytic enzyme. Pepsinogen gets converts into pepsin which is in active form by the action of HCl. So pepsin converts protein into proteose plus peptones. Renin is found in gastric juice of human being during infancy. It hydrolyzes casein into paracasein. Lipase catalyze hydrolysis of fat. Stomach store food for 4 to 5 hours. Partially digested food is called chyme. Now digestion in small intestine. Partially digested food is passes through pylorus to intestine. Chyme come in contact with three different secretions: pancreatic juice, bile juice, intestinal juice. Pancreatic juice contain inactive enzyme. Trypsinogen gets converted into trypsin by action of enterokinase. Then trypsin converts protein into polypeptides and amino acid. Chymotrypsinogen gets converted into chymotrypsin by action of trypsin. Then chymotrypsin converts proteose plus peptones plus polypeptides into smaller polypeptides. Procarboxypeptides get converted into carboxypeptides by trypsin. Then it converts polypeptides into peptides and amino acid. Polysaccharides get converts into disaccharides by amylase. Fat get converts into diglyceride and monoglyceride by lipase. Nucleic acid get converts into nucleotides and nucleosides. Dipeptides get converts into amino acid by iripisin. Maltose get converts into glucose plus glucose by maltase. Lactose get converts into glucose plus galactose by lactase. Sucrose get converts into glucose plus fructose by sucrase. Nucleotide get converts into nucleosides, and sugar plus base by nucleotides and nucleosides. Disaccharides and monosaccharides get converts into fatty acid and glycerol by lipase. Undigested and unabsorbed substance passes to large intestine. In large intestine, the water content is absorbed and residue is called stool or feces. It is temporarily stored in rectum till defecation of feces take place. Now absorption. Absorption is the process in which the end product of digestion passes through intestinal mucosa into blood or lymph. It is carried out by passive active or facilitated transport mechanism, glucose and amino acid by simple diffusion, fructose by carrier like Na+. Glycerol is absorbed easily. Fatty acid cannot be absorbed into blood directly. They are first incorporated into small droplets called micelles. They are reformed into small fat globules called chylomicrons. Chylomicrons are transported to lymph vessels in villi. These lymph vessels ultimately release absorbed substance into bloodstream. Absorption of substance takes place in different parts of alimentary canal, but most absorption takes place in small intestine. So this table is very much important for NEET point of view because many questions are asked from this table. So please go through this table. Now disorder of digestive system. So first is kwashiorkor due to malnutrients, tonsillitis, gastritis, acute gastritis, peptic ulcer, ulcerative colitis, constipation due to deficiency in diet like fruit, fat, vegetable, jaundice, liver is affected, diarrhea, abnormal frequency of bowel movement. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share and comment.